Seoul, the capital of South Korea, is a vibrant and bustling metropolis offering a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Known for its stunning scenery, rich history, and thriving tourism industry, Seoul has become a popular destination for travelers from around the world. Seoul's cityscape is a breathtaking combination of tall skyscrapers and ancient palaces. The famous Seoul N Tower rises amidst the cityscape, offering panoramic views of the city. Visitors can also explore historical sites such as Gyeongbokgung Palace and Changdeokgung Palace, which showcase the grandeur of Korean architecture. Tourism in Seoul is thriving due to the wide range of attractions and activities. Travelers can visit traditional markets such as Namdaemun Market or do high-end shopping in areas such as Myeongdong. Food lovers will be delighted by Seoul's vibrant culinary scene, offering everything from street food delicacies to Michelin-starred restaurants. Those planning to visit Seoul should note that the city has an excellent transportation infrastructure, including an extensive subway system that makes getting around easy and convenient. In addition, the main tourist areas are dominated by signs in English, making it easy for foreign visitors to navigate this dynamic city. Whether you are interested in history and culture or looking for entertainment, there is something for everyone in Seoul. Combining old-world charm and modernity, this city promises an unforgettable experience when traveling to South Korea.